on this wily comet. Take a drink just to give me some weight. Some Uberman I'd make, I'm barely a vapor. They're shone a chlorine light on a host of individual sins. Let's carve my aging face off, fetch us a knife, start with my eyes, down so the lines form a grimacing smile. Close your eyes to corral a virtue. Is this fooling anyone else? Never worked so long and hard to cement a failure. We can blow on our thumbs and posture, but the loneliest such delicate things. The wind from a wasp could blow them into the sea, with stones on their feet, lost to the light and the loving we need. Still to come, though it's part and you know it, there is a numbness in your heart and it's growing.